Welcome to the FLUX installation guide video. The FLUX comes in two different wattages, 6 watt and 20 watt. The FLUX light module has a PC lens, charge status, a PIR sensor, power status, on and off button, and an IP66 waterproof rating. The solar panel of the FLUX is monocrystalline silicon and highly efficient. It can charge under any weather condition, rainy or cloudy. The FLUX comes with a remote control that offers motion sensor modes, constant brightness, then motion modes, billboard mode, and an on-off button. Behind the remote control, there is a remote control guide. The FLUX can be directly installed to a wall surface. First, install the light. Insert 2 screws into the surface, then fasten the light to the screws. Next, install the solar panel. Insert 2 screws into the surface, then fasten the bracket of the solar panel to the 2 screws. Lastly, connect the light cable to the solar panel cable. The length of the cable is 18 feet. The solar panel and light are adjustable. Once you choose the desired angle, tighten and secure. You can access the panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. The FLUX also has a removable wall mount installation option. Insert 2 screws to the surface and secure the light holder, and then hang the light and tighten the big center screw. Install the solar panel and then connect the solar panel and light cable. With the removable wall mount, the light can be removed and used in case of an emergency. Untighten the big center screw and lift up the light to use as an emergency light. The FLUX can be installed on a pole. First, install the solar panel. Align the 2 screws on each side of the pole, then attach the mounting bracket and tighten to secure. Next, install the light. Align the light to the pole, then attach the mounting bracket and tighten to secure. Lastly, connect the light cable to the solar panel cable. The mounting bracket wraps around a 1.6 to 2.3 inch wide pole. The solar panel and light are adjustable. Once you choose the desired angle, tighten and secure. Press the red button and hold for 4 seconds to turn the light on and off. The FLUX's beam spreads more than 130 degrees and has a very wide NEMA Type 7 light distribution. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.soltechlighting.com.